Changing a trusted or registered device in Wise is essential for maintaining security and managing your account access. Here's how to do it. Log in. Access your Wise account by entering your username and password on the Wise website or mobile app. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Settings section. This can usually be found in the user profile or menu options. Find Device Management. Look for an option related to device management, trusted devices, or security settings within the settings menu. Remove old device. Identify the device you wish to remove from the list of trusted devices and select the option to remove or deactivate it. This action may involve confirming your identity through additional security measures like two-factor authentication. Add new device. After removing the old device, you can add a new one by following the prompts to register or authorize it. This typically involves logging in from the new device and completing any verification steps required by Wise. Verify changes. Once the new device is added, review your device list to ensure that only authorized devices have access to your Wise account. Test access. Test access from the new device to confirm that it is now registered and functioning correctly for accessing your Wise account.